Hi fellas, welcome back to MR Fisher Tech channel. So, today I'm gonna talk about, let me close this. I'm gonna talk about HW Monitor CPUid from CPUid. This program, which now we show you, helps you for take control of the PC which you are using, giving you several, I think, needed information. For example, as you can see here, you can see all the hardware components that compose your PC. The motherboard, the battery, the Intel graphics card, the NVIDIA graphics card, the hard drive, my SSD in this case, and the processor. Here on the motherboard, it tells you how much RAM you're using. The values are average, minimum, and maximum. So if we go up, we can see the battery. Yeah, my battery is pretty fucked up, so as you can see, there's only written design capacity and not the actual capacity, because my battery is totally flat. As you can see here, it's 0%, not charging, and connected. So these informations are useful for understanding the state of your battery. If you can understand if the battery it is at half lifespan or whatever. You will see once the battery is at half lifespan, the capacity of the battery will be decreased by, for example, 50%, or worse. It depends on the scenario of your battery. This was the battery. Here you can see the values about the Intel graphics card, which you have fitted. In this case, this is a laptop, Toshiba. Here you can see the temperature, actual, not average, sorry, actual, minimum and maximum, and the utilization of it. The temperature is pretty interesting, I think, for understanding the state of the thermal paste, and later we will talk about that. So here now you can see what the sensors tell us about my NVIDIA graphics card. As before, there's written the temperature, the actual, the minimum and the maximum, and all the utilization of the card itself. Right now, I'm recording on the Intel because I'm screen recording with OBS, and as you can see, the stressed one is the integrated one because you can't record the screen with NVIDIA. So, you can see here the values are totally flat. Here are the performance value too of the graphics card NVIDIA. I'll close it. Now, in my case, my crucial SSD. Here you can see the temperature, as always, and the space which is used. Now that I'm recording slowly, it will increase this value because these mean the actual used space of on the hard drive or my SSD, for example. So, and this was the SSD. Here we have the biggest of the data, which are the CPU sensors, all the voltages. As you can see, while you tweak it, while you work on it for, I don't know, some overclock or whatever. Here, as always, the temperature of every single core and of the package in real time, minimum and maximum. Here, oh, look at that. Here you can see the powers, the power draw, and the utilization. Now I will show you some funny thing. Right now my PC is stuck as 2400. I will give you a nice example on the run of the issue on the drivers on this laptop. So as you can see, the clocks are pretty stuck. Now I will show here the battery. I will unplug it back. Now it's unplugged. As you can see, it says error, I'm suffering, I'm in pain, connect me. This is what it says, the bastard. And as you can see, the current voltage is dropping pretty fastly. We were 17, now we are 13. Now, for not to let the PC suffer further, I reconnect it. As you can see, I reconnected. Now the battery is charging, and look at the clock speed. Suddenly magically what? We reached 3000. Oh, nice. So what I want to say now, for example, here you can see of a pretty totally ruined battery which was running which was making the CPU running flat at 2.4. Now we went from 2.4 almost to 3.4, which is a nice change considering that they just unplugged the fucking plug for kinda 10 seconds. And nothing. I tried to fix this issue, changing the drivers of the battery, but there's no way. So nothing. I have to be stuck on it unless I think I will work on the hardware side of the laptop. But this is it. So in this video I explained to you in exactly 5 minutes, almost 6, how I found useful this CPUid HW monitor. Thank you for staying tuned and see you soon.